Hello and welcome to this short video here from Ponta Delgada. It's Friday, May 2nd, 2025, and we have here the big new project, the shopping center Azores Retail Park. And this week we have, after a break from over 4 months, started here with the work to build this new shopping center here in Ponta Delgada. There behind it's the fast road, and this is behind here the Decathlon, and the cranes are here. Since today they are ready here to do all the work. Now it's soon 5 p.m. Looks like the worker they are going to the weekend, into the weekend now here, but we have here everything ready and prepared here to do here soon this big project to start here the construction work. Here it's in San Sebastião, here the parish from Ponta Delgada. Yeah. And they are saying here the projects will be finished next year, 2026. Yeah. Then I will of course inform you here what's going on here in the next time here on this big project, and say thank you for watching here direct from Ponta Delgada. And this is the location here. Look, here we have here down, this is the Decathlon. It's many years here, and here we have Naco. It's like a fast food restaurant, and there behind it's the fast road. It's like the end here from Ponta Delgada.